Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma has been one of the most loved television shows of the small screen. The show is also known for paying a considerable amount of money per episode to its cast and crew. Now, per episode salary, net worth of the actors in the show has been covered by us multiple times before. Today, let's take a look at your favorite celebs' first paycheck from the show, including that of Dilip Joshi to Munmun Datta. Dilip Joshi revealed, I was paid rupees 50 for my first theatre show. Those 50 rupees will always remain special to me, no matter how much I earn now. Disha Vakani, who played the role of Dayaben, stated, I was paid rupees 250 for my first drama. I remember that I handed over the money to my father. He had tears in his eyes. That moment will always be closer to my heart. As an artist, work satisfaction is more important than monetary satisfaction. Amit Bhatt, who plays the role of Champak Chacha, reveals, I had got rupees 125 for my first drama in the year 1993. The show's main narrator Tarak Mehta informs, I worked in a pharmaceutical company and I was paid 1591 for the whole month. The former Anjali ji recalls and says, my first job was at a 4-star hotel in Baroda at the front desk and I was paid rupees 3000 per month. Mandar Chandwarkar, who plays the role of Atmaram Bhede, reveals, my first job was in a bank and I was paid 700 per month. Sonalika Joshi, who plays the role of Madhvi Bhede, says, I was given 10 rupees for my first theatre show and I consider that as my first salary. The foremost Dr. Hathi Kavi Kumar Azad informs, I worked as a filler for one of the shows on Doordarshan and I was paid 100 rupees for one day. Ambika Ranjankar, who plays the role of Komal Hathi, says, in the year 1992 I did my first Marathi play where I was paid rupees 100 for it. No matter how much I earn today, but the first salary will always remain special to me. Guru Charan Singh Sodhi enlightens and says, my first job was as a medical representative and I was paid around 6,000 per month. Jennifer Mistry, who plays the role of Roshan Kaur Sodhi, says, in the year 1995, I worked as a counselor in PC Point Computer in Jabalpur. I was paid 1000 per month for it. Also, I used to teach karate to hostel girls around the same time. There were around 25 students who used to pay 50 rupees per month. Tanuj Mahasabde, who plays the role of Iyer, says, I received 150 rupees for my first Marathi theatre show. Munmun Datta, who plays the role of Babita, reveals, at the age of 6, I was working as a child singer for Akashvani in Kolkata and I was paid 125 rupees per day. Tanmay Vekaria, who plays the role of Bagha, says, I was working as a marketing executive at Kotak Mahindra Bank and my first salary was 4000 per month. I was paid 250 for my first theatre show. Monica Bhadoria, who played the role of Bauri, reveals, I was working in Hyatt Regency in Delhi as a guest relationship executive and my first salary was 7,000 per month. Lastly, Sharat Sankla, who plays the role of Abdul on the show, says, I was paid 100 rupees per day for the movie in Khiladi. So, who is your favorite Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma star? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the latest updates.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.